Mary, a guest at room 204 is at the front desk. She says her key does not open the door.
Again? That is the third time today. Which room is she in?
Room 204. But look, this key says 206.
Oh no, we gave her the wrong key.
Yes, I think I made a mistake at check-in.
It is okay. Let us fix it now. Can you reprogram the key for room 204?
Yes, one moment. I have the card here.
Good. And please check the other keys too. I do not want more guests with this problem.
You are right. I will check all the keys from this morning.
Thank you, John. After that, bring the new key to the guest, apologize, and offer her a bottle of water.
Good idea. I will go right now.
And next time, always read the room number before you give the key.
I will. I am sorry, Mary.
No problem. We fix it and we learn. That is how we get better.